Hi, kindergarten. We're going to do a quick video about how to write our writing response today. Hopefully you guys watched the YouTube video of what we would have read in class today. And it was a book about three friends. And so hopefully while you guys were listening to it, you noticed that at the beginning of the book, the characters felt one way about each other, and at the end, they felt a different way. And so at the end of the book, the friends were working together to solve their problems, right? And they were working together to kind of find a way that they could all be friends and not exclude anybody. And so today, I want you guys to write in your notebook about a time when you and a friend worked together to solve a problem or to get an activity done or a game done. And so I'm just going to real quick model for you how you're going to do your writing that you're going to do in your notebook, okay? So first, I'm going to do what all authors do when they're about to write. I'm going to stop and I'm going to think. And I'm going to think, what's a time that I had to work together with my friends? It's okay to stop and think before you write. If you stop and you think and you get a good idea, your writing is going to be a lot easier. So I'm remembering a time that my friend Kelly and I had to figure out how to make a birthday cake for one of our other friends. And we couldn't figure out the recipe by ourselves, so we called another friend in to help us. So I'm going to write about the time that two of my friends and I made a cake for another friend, and we all worked together to make that cake. And so at the end, we had a delicious birthday cake. And that's how I know that we solved the problems, because we were able to accomplish our goal. And so I'm going to write about that. Now that I have my idea, and I've got that idea in my head, that was a time that my friends and I helped each other, I'm going to think about how I want to put that in a sentence. So let me think. Maybe I could start off by saying my friends and I helped each other by, okay? And if your parents want, they could write that at the top of the page for you, or if you already know how to write that by yourself, or you have a different idea for how to start your sentence, that's good too. But I'm going to start by saying that. So I'm going to put this over here now. All right. So I'm going to start with a capital M, because our sentences always start with a capital. Capital M, my. My, and I'm going to leave a finger space, and you're going to do this in your notebooks. Remember, we start with a capital, we leave spaces between every word. Even though you're learning at home right now, you still got to be doing those things for your parents, okay? I know you can do it. My friends, space, and I, capital I, we always capitalize I ran out of space, so I'm going to go down here and continue writing. My friends and I made. Now, if you didn't know how to sound out made, maybe you could sound it out like this. M-A-D. I hear three sounds. M, M-A-A, D. And if that's all you put, that would be okay. I know that the word made has a silent E at the end, so I'm going to add that. Made a cake. Let's see if we could do the same thing with cake. Could be a C or a K. I know it's a C. A with another little silent E. And then you guys know, and I bet you could tell me what we need to put at the end, because this sentence is not done. My friends and I made a cake. If I want to say it just in a normal voice, I could put a period. If I'm feeling pretty excited about it, which I usually am when things involve making cake, I could put an exclamation point to show that I was excited. And so that's just a quick little example of how you could write your sentence. A lot of you guys are starting to get to the point where you can write more than one sentence. So if you want to do that, go for it, okay? And you should also have a picture to go with it. All right, bye guys.